everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to delete your Nintendo account. Firstly, you need to sign in on your Nintendo official site or Nintendo account. Once you are signing on your Nintendo account from any browser, you can click on the upper right corner profile icon of this Nintendo account. This box will appear where on the button you can see Account Setting. Click on Account Settings. This will take you to the User Information page. On the left side you can see Privacy and Other Setting option. Simply you need to click on Privacy and Other Setting. This will take you to Privacy and Other Settings page. And on the bottom of the screen you can see Delete Account. Click on this link. And now, so here it is given the notice that be careful. By clicking deactivate or delete below, you will start the process of deleting your Nintendo account. So you need to read through the on-screen information regarding the Nintendo account deletion. Once you have read this all, you can simply click on deactivate and delete. You need to re-enter the password to proceed. Once you have re-entered your password here, you need to click on OK. So, if you think of deleting your account permanently, then click on Confirm Account Deletion. But here it is given if you select Confirm Account Deletion below, your Nintendo account will be deactivated for 30 days, after which it will be deleted permanently and all content associated with it will be lost. But if you want to delete your account temporarily, then after the 30 days you can again re-enter your password and all credentials, and again you can sign in on your Nintendo account. But if you think of deleting your account permanently, then you should not deactivate or sign in on this Nintendo account, and then after 30 days it will be permanently deleted. So you need to click on Confirm Account Deletion, and now your account has been deactivated for 30 days. After 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So click on OK. So in this way you can easily delete your Nintendo account. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button to get the latest videos on our channel. Thank you.